Hello, so today we'll be unboxing the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So it actually came sooner than I expected. So I was actually expecting around February, but then it arrived like yesterday. That took like 2 to 3 days shipping. So it was like around January 29 or 27. So today we'll be unboxing what's inside. And aside from unboxing this device, we'll also be looking into reviewing the durability test of the Samsung devices. So we have here the Note 10 that was released way back around 2020 and the Samsung S22 Ultra. So we'll be doing a durability test and is it worth subscribing to the Samsung Care plan. So before we get into that, let's first unbox this device. So here we have this simple box. Didn't come with any fancy packaging. So as you can see, it's sealed, so looking good. I actually selected the titanium gray, so that's how it looks. And let's see how it actually looks on the actual device. So it's sealed. So we have the version of the 12 gigabyte and the 512 gigabyte storage. So it's actually double the storage if you're going to be availed of the pre-ordering the Samsung pre-order. So the price of the 200 plus thing is actually the same with this 512 gigabytes. So it came twice the storage. So I think it's retailing now for around 92 or 93,000 in pesos. But then since we acquired this during the pre-launch or pre-order, we get this from, so we have this at around 82,000. Okay, that's it. You can just pull it over. I'll pull it out. So here we go. So actually the way it looks in the photo is not the way it looks on the actual device. It actually looks better. So this version is the titanium gray. It comes with S Pen. So we have here the S Pen. And we think it's gray, same color. This Galaxy Note 10, which is this kind of color for Galaxy Note 10, it has actually blue pen. I think that's the signature color of Samsung. While the S22 Ultra has black. So with the titanium gray, at least the S Pen matches the color of the hardware itself. Yeah, this is how it looks. Comparing to the Note 10, the Note 10 is actually thinner, still thinner, and they claim that the S22 Ultra or S24 Ultra is thinner than the S24. I don't actually see any difference. So we have here the device, we have here the S Pen, and I believe we have the port here. So it doesn't come with the adapter, so take note of that. So we have to purchase an adapter. So yeah, looking good. So we have a tiny little cable. So the cable is USB-C to USB-C. Actually, I purchased one with USB-C to the USB type. The reason for that is I can actually charge my phone using other people's charger. So with this, you have to buy the Samsung's the charger that has this kind of USB-C to USB-C. So yeah, it's a good option to buy another cable that has like a USB 2.0 or 3.0 end, and that's costing around like siguro mga 1,000 pesos lang yan. Then we have the pin for the SIM card. So yeah, basically this is it for in Philippine peso it's like 93,000 for 512 gigabyte with one cable, and I'm not sure why they decided to ditch out the charger, so you have to purchase one. I think that's also around 1,000 or 2,000 pesos. So yeah, I think that's it. So we have unboxed the Samsung S24 Ultra. So far looking good, sleek, and I hope it's scratch resistant as well, because it's better not to use any case just to have the feel of the device. So now we move on to the durability test of these Samsung Galaxy devices. So how sturdy are these devices? Oh, by the way, Samsung Galaxy S24 series, the AI series, according to the press release of Samsung, Samsung now offers, or these devices now offers the ability to upgrade its OS for the next 7 years. So that's the reason we want to test how durable is this. Like even for the next 7 years, will this device still survive? So we have here a review of the previous versions or the previous models that we have acquired. So this Samsung Galaxy Note 10 actually is quite sturdy. So it was purchased around, I'm not sure, 2019 or 2020, sorry about that, I haven't checked on it, but yeah, it's around that time, and I've been using it for like 3 years. Probably due to wear and tear, this back cover actually came off. Ta-da! So that's how it looks in the inside. So I've been bringing this to the Samsung Repair Service Center, and what we have here is in Baguio. We only have one in Baguio. It's just in Baguio, but then unfortunately they don't have the thing that like the paste. According to them, it's a specialized paste that we have to order from the authorized center. So that's it. And the only problem that I saw here is I think 1 year later the S Pen or the air action is not actually working. And one thing more, like 2 or 3 years later, there's a problem with this device that it's really difficult to connect to a call. So at first I thought it was my SIM card, so I have my SIM card replaced, but then eventually the problem continues on. So when calling, it's hard to connect and I have to restart before I'm able to make a call. At first I also thought it was the data or the tower signal. So, but then when I tested with WhatsApp or Facebook Messenger, it seems that the person I'm talking to on the other line, according to them, it's choppy. So I think it's on the device. Yeah, I think that's the only issue. And by the way, I already did a reset. Still, the problem is there. And yeah, that's the only issue for Galaxy Note 10. So Galaxy Note 10 only lasted me like I think almost 3 to 4 years before it's having this kind of problems. So far, it doesn't have a scratch. The reason for this is maybe I've been using the hard case from from Samsung. So right now it's the one protecting the back cover because it comes out if I remove the case. So that's it. Review of S22. Yeah, this S22 Ultra. I think it was purchased around 2022 or 2021. So it's been used for 2 years. So far, looking good. It doesn't have any scratch as well. I'm not really sure if it's because of its scratch resistant feature or it's because we are using this kind of covers. And by the way, this came from Samsung as well. As you can see, it turned yellow. The silicone covers, they usually turn yellow. Like for almost 2 years, yeah, I think it's almost 2 years now, we had this problem of horizontal lines. So if you notice, even on top of this, beside the front hub, it seems to be we're having a flashlight over there. And also this vertical or horizontal lines. So that's the only issue. So we were thinking actually that it may be due to a drop, but as you can see, there's no scratches or any dents. So it might have something to do with the hardware. And yeah, same thing. I brought this to our repair center here in Baguio, but then we've been waiting for almost 6 months, and they don't have the replacement, the screen replacement. And by the way, the screen replacement for S22 Ultra is around 18 to 19,000 pesos. So almost the price of another lower end devices. And I'm not sure about the paste. So yeah, that's it. So is it worth to purchase the Samsung Care Plan? I believe so. With my experience with Galaxy Note 10, it has its problem by the time that it reaches like 3 to 4 years. While this S22 Ultra is having this problem. They actually claim this to be a Gorilla Glass, so I actually asked Samsung store. I thought the screen is like that kind of durable, but according to them, that doesn't exist. So it could actually, the screen can still be damaged by other factors. So is the Samsung Care worth the purchase? Samsung Care, I believe, cost like 6,000 for 1 year and 12,000 for 2 years. With the Samsung Care, you can actually have, it has the warranty of they can repair the device due to breakage and like the normal use, or they can even replace if the device is irreplaceable. The difference of Samsung Care and the standard warranty is the warranty only covers manufacturer defects, and if it's a damage caused by you, I think they would charge you like hefty fees. While with the Samsung Care, they take care of all the repairs, and if it's repairable, you only have to pay like around 7,000 for a device replacement. And that's up to, if you purchase 1 year, that's up to 1 device replacement. But if you purchase the 2-year plan, it's actually like up to 2 device replacements. So I think that's a steal, considering that you are purchasing a phone that's costing like around almost 100,000. Why not shell out like 12,000 for the security of your phone for the next 2 years? And with the Samsung Care, I believe if you purchase it, I'm not promoting. If you purchase the 2-year plan, I think it comes with additional 1 year. So I think it's worth the cost having your device protected for the next 3 years. And by the way, you can only purchase the Samsung Care. Oh, we have here the Samsung Care. You can only purchase this within, according to the Samsung or the Samsung Care that I had a chat with, you can only purchase when you have a new, or when you acquire a new device within 60 days. And it comes with Samsung, it comes with a 6-month Samsung Care Plus. And I also had a chat with Samsung Core. Actually, it came from the Care Plus, the company. I also had a chat with them, and according to them, if you acquire the 6-month plan, you have to cancel that if you want to purchase the 2-year plan. So that's unfortunate, because I was expecting that the 6 months would be on top of the 2-year plan. So, oh, by the way, even the repair is free pickup and delivery. Now that I'm having a problem with the service center in our location here in SM Baguio, my only option, according to them, I have to bring it to other repair service center, and that would be like 6-hour drive to Manila. While with Samsung Care, they can actually pick up the device when you need the repairs. And yeah, I think that's it. I think we covered everything here with regards to durability with the Samsung Care. And also, one thing to take note is, yeah, I thought that these devices are actually, being water resistant. It can actually get wet, but then they don't guarantee whenever there's a damage even if it gets wet. So it's best, even if they say that it's water resistant, don't soak it in the pool. Of course, no pool because of the chlorine and even the sea or the beach. Water resistance on like natural water, no chemicals. So I wouldn't dare to be using these devices in wet environment. So maybe that's one reason that this got damaged. So yeah, just take care of the device if you have one. It only gets wet if it really need to, but not intentional use for a wet environment. So I think that's it. We're pretty covered. I think everything was unboxed. We haven't missed anything. The box is clean, so I don't think anything is hidden inside. So no surprises. So I hope this helps, and looking forward that this device will be all worth it. So thanks for the time and thanks for listening. See ya.